everyone, I am deep cleaning my sitting room today, so I need to dust, I need to clean, and I need to shampoo my carpets. It needs a really deep clean. So let's get started. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. Just by way of explanation, I am a mum of two. I am soon to be going back to work, and I'm doing lots of videos at the moment about transitioning to work. I make videos about organising, about saving money and other lifestyle stuff. So if you want to see more like this, then stick around and subscribe. Let's get started. First of all, I like to dust my light fittings, and I'm just using a duster that I got from Poundland. I also like to dust my smoke alarm, and I like to check it, and it's working fine. I just dust around that and anywhere on the ceiling. I also use the same duster just to go over my curtain pole and curtain rings, as that gets really dusty. I also like to use the same duster to do my pictures, just going over those. I do dust them probably about once a week, so they're not too bad. And then I do the mirrors, so everything up high is dusted, and then I'm working lower down, so I'm doing the mantelpiece, the candlesticks and other bits. Then I'm gone ahead and dusted the television unit and all of the appliances. I'm also using a small amount of glass cleaner on a glass microfiber cloth just to get the dust off the appliances. I am hoovering the rug. I'm not going to shampoo it, I'm just going to hoover it, roll it up and move it into the kitchen out of the way. And then dusting and cleaning my couch, I'm using another microfiber cloth with a small amount of water just to clean off any dirt. I like to get into all of the seams, and then I spray it with some leather silk, which I got from Wilko, and I put my hand in an old sock, a clean old sock, and I spray on the leather silk and then work it into the leather. It just keeps it in really good condition and gives it a really nice smell. Now this is my carpet shampooer, so it's a pneumatic George, and I've got the large and the small handle implements to use with that. I use Vax carpet cleaner, which I also got from Poundland, and I'm also putting in some Zaflora because it makes it smell really nice and it helps to disinfect everything. I'm then using a dust brush on the end of my hoover to do my skirting boards, and I love using my dust brush all over the house to clean up dust. And then I'm starting to shampoo my carpets. So I go over each area, move the furniture, do all of the carpet areas, and then it dries so quickly I can move the furniture back, and that's how much dirt there is to show for it. Now I'm just moved the sofa back, and I am shampooing the main areas of the carpet, and you can see all the dirt in the handle. Any areas with stains, I just use a bit of carpet zap, or you can use Vanish and just spray it on and leave it for 5 minutes before I use the carpet washer and just clean it up, and it normally gets all the stains out. And again, I'm just moved the furniture, and I am going over all of the carpet areas. Now this is my daughter's play area, so I've moved her desk and I'm doing the carpet. And I'm also dusting the dresser just to get off any dust before I shampoo the carpet in and around the dresser. And again, repeat the process on the other sofa. So I've moved the cushions, I've actually hoovered those and put them to one side. Then I clean the sofa with a small amount of water, let it dry, and then spray on the leather silk and rub it in.
and it works really well. And finally, I just finish shampooing the main areas of the carpet.
So I've just finished cleaning the carpet in the sitting room. I just want to show you, look at that. So I was just doing the very end, like the high traffic bit as you go into the sitting room. That is so disgusting. And I'm going to just show you what it looks like inside my cleaner, because when you've washed your carpet, even if you think that you've got really clean carpet and that you hoover once, twice a week, I mean, I would probably hoover 3-4 times a week in the main areas, and you'll see when I just show you the bucket, what it looks like, the amount of, look, so that is the dirty bucket, and that mainly contains dust, sand, hair, and that's only in probably the last 3 months. So you can imagine if you have animals as well, I mean, and you've got carpets, then, you know, really recommend getting a carpet shampoo. I actually tip my dirty water onto my flower beds. Never had a problem with doing that, and it's just mainly dust and dirt. So I'm going to go and do that now. So thank you for joining me today for my deep clean in my sitting room. Really pleased with that I've got it done. I hope I've inspired one or two of you to also get on and deep clean a space in your house. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.